How to fix USB ports not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's get started. First, search for Device Manager and launch it. Now here, you're gonna find the different option. From here, you will need to expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Look for items labeled USB Root Hub. Right-click on one and select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Repeat this step for every USB root hub and host controller in the list. Just double-click on it and navigate to the option Properties, head over to Power Management tab. Uncheck for this option and click on OK. In the same section, right-click each USB host controller and select Uninstall Device. Repeat this for all host controllers under Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Windows will automatically reinstall them after reboot. After uninstalling, click the Start menu, then the power icon and choose Restart. Once your computer reboots, Windows will reinstall all necessary USB drivers and your USB ports should be working again. And that's it. That's how you fix USB ports not working on Windows 10 or 11. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.